Assalamualaikum, my name is Amirul Adam. My metric number is CE210138. So I would like to present to you about the laboratory lab sheet 2 part 1. So here we go, and then for the first step we need to click on the tab on the compiler, and then we put the code into the program source tab, and then we need to compile. But first we need to generate code. Make sure it's a tick, tick. And make sure you enable the optimizer on the optimize tab, and then remove the tick the remove redundant code, and we can start compile, and then we will notice that in this section will be appear a code or instructions for that. So as you can see, what is the meaning of this? Move 6 to the R2, out the data into the main locations, and then output the 10's literal value, and then return to the interrupts. Return from the interrupt to the main program. So this is the main programs. So I can show you how many interrupt we have. So here the list, and for the first is we address as 0. For the second one we address for 20, and the third one will be state or as 40. So stay on top, click on this and load into memory. We are done in load into the memories. So what we need to do is here interrupt tab, we need to click on this stay on the top, and then um, here the list of the interrupt that we have, interrupt filter. So we can run into the programs. So as you can see here, R0 is 0, R1 is 0, and R2 is the 1. So the main character for this lab sheet is R02. So here I explained it to you for the main program instruction. If we move 1 to the R02, and if the 1 we jump this second instruction is jump into 74, and it's returned to it. If is if the R0 to R0, it can turn to the main program bit. So till the 1. So for the input and output, as you can see here is a 0 appear, like no result at all. So what we need to do is trigger that interrupt to have the result on it. So trigger for the first interrupt, we will get that, as you can see, that R02 are changed a value of it into the 6 for a while. So here we are, move to the 6, and then output the data into the interrupt to the main program. So that's why R02 are changed as 6 into the value of 6. Sorry. That's why R02 changed it into the value of 6 for a while because of that. And then we trigger to the interrupt 2, that we have address 20, and as you can see that R02 are changed to 26 as stated on the instructions before it's going back to the main programs. So the last one we trigger is the same thing that we have is 46 changes for a while at address R at register 2 for a while. So and then we it turn to one back as usual and back to the main program. So that's all from me. Thank you.